You ready? Hi friends.
Hi friends.
So Ethan and I are going to show you guys how to make Play-Doh. Step 1, we're going to mix our wet ingredients first and we're going to put them in this bowl. So the first thing we're going to do is Ethan's going to pour 3/4 of warm water into this bowl. You ready? Good. Next, we're going to get 2 tablespoons of oil. No, we're going to do wet first. How does that taste? Salty, right? Not good. Okay, next we're going to pour 2 tablespoons of oil. We're going to pour it in the water. Here, pour it in. Good. And then we are going to get 10 drops of blue food coloring. And you're going to put them in here. We're going to count. Okay? 1, blow. Blow. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, good job. Mix it.
Oh, it's blue.
It's blue. Okay, good job. Next up, we're gonna get our dry ingredients. So we're gonna get our 1.5 cups of flour. You're gonna pick this up, pour it in here. Good. Then we're going to get our 3/4 of salt, pour it in. And then we're going to mix. We're gonna mix. Mix our dry ingredients together.
It's not white. It's white.
Okay. Final step, we're gonna combine our dry ingredients and our wet ingredients together into here, into the dry ingredients. Ready? Good.
Oh, it's very fun.
Now you're going to mix.
It's not funny.
What does it look like?
Good.
Is it blue?
It's good.
You want to try now? Here, you mix. It's going to be a little bit harder, but you mix. Use your big boy muscles. Mix. Now, we're going to take the Play-Doh mix and we're going to pour it onto the cutting board. And we're going to use our hands and knead the Play-Doh. Okay, we're going to use our hands. And sometimes what you need to do is we need to get some flour, maybe about like a table or 2 tablespoons of flour, and add it to the mix so that the Play-Doh is not super sticky. Okay, you ready? You're gonna use your hands. Mix. You don't want to touch it? You scared? Here. Touch it. What does it feel like?
Good.
Is it warm? Okay, so then you're just gonna knead it like this for about, I'd say for about like 5 minutes or so. Do you want to try? Okay, go. Squeeze. Here, you have that one.
Oh, it's headphones.
How does it feel? Is it warm?
Hello.
It's a phone?
Yeah.
Hello. Okay, parents. So after you knead it for about 5 minutes, it should turn out like this. And your Play-Doh is done. Right, Ethan? Is there anything that you want to make? What do you want to make?
Maybe, my pups.
You want to make a puppy? All right. Let's make a puppy. First, we gotta make a what?
A Paw Patrol.
A Paw Patrol? Okay, but we gotta make a head, right?
That's a head.
And what else do dogs have?
Tails.
Okay, so you want to make a tail? make a tail. Then what do we need? So we have the head. We have the tail.
The tail.
What about the body? Then we need to make ears.
So,
What about his legs? He needs 4 legs.
no, that's not it.
Let's make 4 legs.
It's gonna be a jellyfish.
No, it's a cat.
About him cheeks. About him chin. About him chin too. About him teeth.
Oh, and we're asking our students to make 3D shapes, so maybe you should make a ball.
Huh? A ball?
Yeah, here.
A ball.
That's how you make a sphere.
That is fear.
Okay, parents, so we're done making our Play-Doh. We've created some fishes, a cat, a ball. Now that we're done, we're going to take our Play-Doh, put it in the Ziploc bag, and put it in the fridge to keep it fresh. Thank you. Bye. Say bye, Ethan.
Bye. Please subscribe to my videos.